Hello guys, welcome to our channel, Infinite Learning. It is your digital classes AMP, the best YouTube channel for online learning with incredible online learning resources. Here be the best you can be. Today we will discuss about pronoun. AMP, its usages. So guys, please continue with this video uninterruptedly and clear you very basic concept about pronoun. If you like the video, then please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified about more interesting learning or educational video as soon as uploaded. Thank you for watching.
Now we will learn in detail about kinds of pronouns and usages. In our second video, Learn English Grammar Lesson 2 Parts of Speech, we defined pronoun. Here we focus on its kinds. They are as follows: personal pronoun, interrogative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, emphatic pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, indefinite pronoun, reciprocal pronoun, relative pronoun, possessive pronoun and distributive pronoun. In this slide we will learn what are the personal pronoun and interrogative pronoun. Personal pronoun, these pronouns refer to persons or things. They are I, you, we, he, she, they, it, me, us, him, her, them. Interrogative pronoun, these are some WH words which are used to make question. They are who, whom, whose, what, which. For example, who won the FIFA World Cup 2022? Next comes to reflexive pronoun. It is used as an object of a sentence, and indicates the same person or thing placed in that sentence as a subject. It is ended with self, when it refers to a singular numbers such as myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, and is ended with selves, when it refers to a plural number such as ourselves, yourselves, themselves. For example, he blamed himself for making such mistakes. Here himself is the object of the sentence. Now we will know about emphatic pronoun. An emphatic pronoun is also ended with self or selves. It is used in a sentence for giving emphasis of the work done by the subject of the sentence. It is never used as the object of a sentence. For example, I have done the work myself.
Next kind of pronoun is demonstrative pronoun. A demonstrative pronoun is used in a sentence to refer to an object or thing. They are this, that, these, those and such. For example, this is my watch which I purchased from Mumbai.
Now we will know about indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronouns indicate those pronouns which don't refer to a specific thing or person. For example, nobody, no one, everybody, everyone, somebody, everything, someone, something, nothing. Next comes to reciprocal pronoun. This kind of pronoun indicates one event taking place in one end and also back in the opposite end. Each other and one another are such pronouns. For example, we, the friends, always try to help one another. In this slide we will discuss about relative pronoun. A relative pronoun gives information about a noun which has already been used in a sentence. Who, which, whom, whose and that are relative pronouns. How it is used in a sentence is shown as follows. The boy who is standing next to you is my bosom friend. Last but one is possessive pronoun. It is a kind of pronoun that refers to possession, means, using this pronoun, we indicate that something is owned by someone. The list of possessive pronouns is here: mine, yours, ours, his, hers, its, theirs. Example in a sentence, this beautiful garden is his. And last kind of pronoun is distributive pronoun. A distributive pronoun is that which refers to a person or thing separately in a particular group or number. Examples of distributive pronouns are each, either, neither, etc. Example in a sentence, each of the angles of an equilateral triangle is 60 degrees. So guys, hopefully you have got the clear understanding of various pronouns and their usages in sentences. To keep watching, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified as soon as uploaded the new one. Thank you again for watching.